In today's video, I will walk you through how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. First, go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. If required, complete the verification code as well to continue into your account. Once you are signed in, move your cursor to the top right section of the screen and click on Account Settings to continue. After opening the settings page, look for the Payment section. Once you are inside that section, scroll down toward the lower part of the screen. Under Automatic Payments, click on Manage Automatic Payments to continue to the next page. After that, PayPal will open a page where all of your automatic payments and connected services are listed. On the left side of the screen, you will see the active automatic payments currently connected to your account. Find the service or subscription that you want to stop and click on it to open the Payment Details page. Once the Payment Details page opens, look for the Status section. Inside that section, click on the Cancel option. After clicking Cancel, another confirmation message or button will appear on the screen. Click on Cancel Automatic Payments to confirm the cancellation process. Once the cancellation is confirmed, the automatic payment will be removed successfully from your PayPal account. After canceling the service, the payment status will now appear as inactive instead of active. This confirms that the automatic payment has been canceled successfully. If you want to remove additional automatic payments, click on Show Active to return to the list of active services connected to your PayPal account. From there, repeat the same process for any other subscriptions or services you want to cancel. Simply select the service, open the payment details, click on Cancel under the Status section, and confirm by clicking Cancel Automatic Payments again. After completing the process for all the services you want to remove, you can leave the settings page. And that's it. That is how you cancel automatic payments on PayPal quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please like the video and subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.